Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I again came with an unboxing and review of the product. Are you guys looking for a comfortable and affordable baby carrier? Today I'm unboxing and reviewing the LuvLap Royal Baby Carrier. Let's see if it's worth buying. In the box we can see LuvLap Royal Baby Carrier, suitable for the babies around 4 to 24 months, supports up to 15 kg, and you can get 4 carrying positions. So guys, now let's talk about inside features of this bag. It is soft breathable fabric, adjustable shoulder straps, wide waist belt for support, strong safety buckles. It has head and neck support for baby and comfortable padded shoulder straps, easy to wear and also for remove also. It is lightweight and travel friendly too. You will get with the different colors, but I choose this green color. After using this product, I am reviewing this. According to my experience, it is easy to adjust, comfortable for both parents and baby. Baby weight feels evenly distributed, and it is good for shopping, walks, and even for travel. Baby feels secure inside the carrier. You'll get manual also. You can see how you can use this product, and according to the color, the price of the product is also different. Coming to pros and cons. Pros: comfortable, good build quality, easy to use, value for money, multiple carrying position you'll get. And coming to cons, can feel warm during hot weather. I can feel it. Also takes a few tries to adjust correctly for the first time. You need to figure it out how this product is weighed. You need to take like almost 2 to 3 times to understand how you can use this product. Overall, according to my experience, I think this baby carrier is a great choice for a parents looking for a safe, comfortable and budget friendly baby carrier. If you find this review helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.